I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming essentials because a synced contact is shareable. Make sure you're signed into your Apple ID and contacts is enabled in iCloud. This preserves the vCard data. Once done, turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and set AirDrop to contacts only or everyone so recipients can receive. Now open the Contacts app and find the person you'll share. You're ready to act, select the contact to reveal the details, and prepare to use the Share menu. You'll now execute the actual share. Tap Share Contact and pick AirDrop, Message, or Mail depending on the recipient. If you choose AirDrop, tap the recipient's avatar and wait for their accept. This sends the full vCard instantly and preserves phone, email, notes, and labels. If you use Message or Mail, the contact attaches as a VCF file, edit the accompanying text to explain context, then send. Make sure to verify fields after sending, because labels and secondary numbers sometimes require manual confirmation. Finish by confirming the recipient imported the contact, since import ensures labels and multiple numbers map correctly. If they report missing fields, resend the vCard or copy and paste specific fields, phone, email, or address, manually to avoid label loss. Make sure to check contact settings and sync status. If AirDrop fails, toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, or sign out and back into iCloud to refresh contacts. If problems persist, restart both devices. That often resolves transient connectivity or permission issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.